this session, we are going to talk about an essential aspect that often gets overlooked: self-compassion. We all have that inner voice that can be critical and judgmental, but learning to befriend it can make a world of difference in our self-control journey. Understanding the inner critic. Think of your inner critique as that voice in your head that points out your flaws, doubts in your abilities, and reminds you of your mistakes. It's like a constant background noise that can be harsh, discouraging, and even downright mean. Inner critique often stems from a desire to protect us from failure or disappointment. It wants us to be perfect, but its methods can be counterproductive, leading to self-doubt and anxiety. The good news is that we can learn to manage this inner critique and replace its negativity with self-compassion. What is self-compassion? Self-compassion is actually about treating ourselves with kindness and understanding, especially when we're struggling or facing the setbacks. It's not about ignoring our flaws or shortcomings, it's about acknowledging them with warmth and acceptance. Self-compassion actually involves three key components. The first is the self-kindness, being kind and gentle with ourselves rather than harshly criticizing or judging. The second component is common humanity, recognizing that we all are humans and that imperfection, suffering, and failure are part of the shared human experiences. The third key element is mindfulness, observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment, allowing us to respond to them with greater clarity and compassion. The power of self-compassion in building self-control. When we cultivate self-compassion, we create a more supportive inner environment instead of beating ourselves up for mistakes. We can learn from them and move forward with greater resilience. This positive self can be a powerful ally in strengthening self-control. Here are some ways self-compassion can help us on our self-control journey. The first benefit of self-compassion is that it fuels our intrinsic motivation. Unlike self-criticism, which often leads to demotivation, allowing us to connect with our values and aspirations, making the pursuit of goals feel more meaningful and sustainable. The second benefit of self-compassion is that it allows us to view the setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than personal failings when we stumble, and this growth mindset enhances our resilience, enabling us to bounce back from challenges with renewed determination. The third benefit of self-compassion is that it encourages us to be present with our experiences, both positive and negative, without judgment, and this heightened awareness allows us to make the conscious choices rather than react impulsively, strengthening our self-control. Befriending your inner critique, the practical steps. Here are some practical steps you can take to befriend your inner critique and cultivate your self-compassion. And the first step to befriend to your inner critique and cultivate the self-compassion is awareness. Noticing when your inner critique is active and paying attention to the tone and content of its voice. The second step is to challenge the validity of your inner critique statement, questioning if they're truly accurate and helpful. The third step is to reframe harsh self-criticism with kind and supportive self-talk, speaking to yourself as you would to a dear friend. The fourth step is to practice mindfulness, observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment and offering yourself compassion when you're being hard on yourself. The fifth step is to forgive yourself, remembering that everyone makes mistakes and instead of dwelling on them, moving on. The journey towards the self-compassion is really a continuous one. There will be times when your inner critique rears its head, but with practice and patience, you can learn to quiet its voice and replace it with a kinder, more supportive one. As you continue to develop self-compassion, you'll discover that it's not just a tool for self-control, it's a way of life that can bring greater peace, joy, and fulfillment to your journey.